How do? Well, what a beautiful day, innit? Today I am going to be removing the decals from the front of the van. The Highlander there, he did say two, but Sandra took one of the blue off. Them up there. And I'm going to be putting my TOC number up. Right, I've took, well, Sandra, Kim and Ollie have took off the Highlander. And I've gone over with some washing up liquid, etc. I don't want to use tapes because I'm scared of getting paint. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of heat and see if I can scrape it off with a piece of wood or something. And so we'll go there. I've took that off up there, but it's same crack. It's still leaving the horrible glue. Yeah, so I'm going to give it a bit of heat with the heat gun. Very little, very little. And see how we go on. Well, I tried heating it up and then scraping, you know, with a wooden scraper, just gently away, and then just like washing it with a scrubbing brush. But I've just been onto forums and Hammer, who actually makes decals, by the way, if you want any decals, on Talbot Owners Club forum. I'll put a link at bottom when I've finished. Anyway, got this off, it's okay. But as you can see, God, this sun's bad in it. Don't know if you can see it or not. Anyway, yes. So I've been told by Amy to use this WD. Get off what you can with heat gun, and then so let's just give it a bash. Like, it's just terrible. I can't hold this camera right. It's getting a bit of it off, but you know what I mean. So I think I need two hands. Right, only way you can do it is to warm it up. I've just got a piece of wood scraper and just basically steady away. No rush, warm it up. And what I'll do after is get the rag, and it's full of WD-40. Only problem I found with this is it leaves a shadow underneath, which I will show you. I'll tell you what it is. What a ball ache. I've got Steven Spielberg filming me. I'm to Steven. Yeah. Oops. Right, just follow me around. WD, give your rag a really good coating.
Some of me.
It's okay. And then what I do is put it on, just hold it there for a minute, well, a few seconds. Give it some elbow. Bit more W there.
Is that a new tea towel what you're using, man?
No, it isn't. Steven Spielberg.
Shut up.
Yeah. Nice and pretty. It's pretty. Right. Thank you. Right, so decal off, and only, like I say, only problem is there seems to be a shadow at the back when it dries off, and I don't know why. Needs a bit of a clean. Just want to show you my decals. They're on.
Take it. Looks like you're tired.
Yeah. Cheers, Amy. If anybody needs some, like I say, I'll put a link to where he sells them, but you've got to be a donated member to receive one. Well, that's it. Right, I'm going to clean van up now.